Have you ever wondered who is the smartest entity on this planet? Is it us, humans, or is it something we created? Let me take you on a journey through the enigmatic world of artificial intelligence, or AI. It's a concept that has intrigued and perplexed the brightest minds for decades. From its humble beginnings in the mid-20th century, AI has evolved to become an integral part of our daily lives. It's like an invisible companion, quietly assisting us, shaping our decisions, and in some cases, even predicting our next move. Imagine a world where your coffee brews itself just as you're waking up, your car drives you to work while you catch up on your favorite podcast, and your fridge restocks itself, all thanks to AI. Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? Well, not anymore. AI has made its way into our lives in more ways than we can count. We interact with it every day through voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, social media algorithms that curate our feeds, and even autonomous vehicles that are swiftly making their way onto our roads. But that's just scratching the surface. The real magic happens when AI begins to understand and mimic human intelligence, a feat that was once considered the realm of fantasy. From understanding human language to recognizing patterns and making informed decisions, AI's capabilities are expanding at an unprecedented rate. And as we continue to harness its potential, the line between human intelligence and artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly blurred. But AI is not just about technology. It's about redefining what is possible. It's about pushing the boundaries of human intelligence and creating something that is not just smart, but also capable of learning, adapting, and evolving. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, we encounter a particularly fascinating creation known as ChatGPT. Imagine having a conversation with a machine that understands, learns, and responds just like a human. Welcome to the world of ChatGPT. ChatGPT, developed by the innovative minds at OpenAI, is a language model that is reshaping our interactions with technology. But what exactly is it? Well, let's break it down. The GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which might sound like a mouthful, but it's essentially a fancy way of saying that this AI is designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Now, this isn't just about spitting out pre-programmed responses. No, ChatGPT is far more sophisticated. It uses machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, to improve its responses over time. Think of it like a child learning a language, absorbing new words, phrases, and context as they grow. But in the case of ChatGPT, it's learning from millions of conversations, constantly refining its understanding and output. So what can you do with ChatGPT? Well, the possibilities are broad and exciting, from drafting emails and writing articles to tutoring in various subjects and even creating poetry. It's like having a super smart, always available assistant at your fingertips. But it's not just about efficiency and productivity. With ChatGPT, we're also seeing new forms of entertainment, like interactive storytelling, where the AI becomes a co-author, crafting narratives in real time based on your input. But perhaps the most compelling aspect of ChatGPT is how it's changing our relationship with technology. We're moving from a world where we command our devices with specific instructions to one where we converse with them, as we would with a fellow human. This shift has profound implications for how we work, learn, and play. But it's important to remember that ChatGPT is not a mind. It doesn't understand or experience the world as we do. It's a tool, a very sophisticated one, but a tool nonetheless. It's a reflection of our intelligence, our creativity, and our desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. ChatGPT is just a glimpse into the future of AI, but how does it actually work? ChatGPT is not just a chatbot, it's a highly sophisticated AI model, but how does it understand and generate human-like responses? Now, this is where things get intriguing. ChatGPT uses a process called machine learning. Imagine a toddler learning a language. They listen to their parents, pick up words, understand context, and mimic sentences until they can fully communicate. That's pretty much how ChatGPT learns. But instead of parents, it has an enormous data set of text from books, websites, and more. This model is based on a type of machine learning called transformer neural networks. Now, don't let the jargon intimidate you. It's simply a way to process information. It starts with a basic understanding of language structure. Then, like a detective, it looks for patterns, connects the dots, and predicts what comes next. The key here is context. You know how when you're in a conversation, one word can mean different things depending on what was said before it? Well, ChatGPT gets that too. It uses something called attention mechanisms to figure out the relevance of each word in relation to others in a sentence or conversation. This allows it to generate responses that make sense based on the previous inputs. The model is designed to generate creative and coherent responses. However, it's not perfect. Sometimes it can get things wrong, or it might not understand complex or ambiguous queries. But remember, it's learning, improving, evolving, much like that toddler we talked about earlier. The beauty of ChatGPT is in its ability to learn and adapt. It's not just about regurgitating information, but understanding and generating responses based on a vast amount of data and patterns. It's not just about technology, it's about mimicking the complexities of human communication. AI and ChatGPT are not just about technology, they raise important questions about ethics and responsibility. As we delve deeper into this world of artificial intelligence, these questions become more pressing. But that's a topic for another scene. Stay tuned. In a world where machines can think and learn, who is responsible for their actions? This question unravels the ethical conundrum that accompanies the rise of AI and ChatGPT. As we delve deep into this new age of artificial intelligence, the ethical implications become increasingly pronounced. AI and ChatGPT introduce a realm of possibilities, but with it comes a Pandora's box of potential misuse. Imagine a scenario where these technologies are used for spreading misinformation or propagating hate speech. Who's to be held accountable? Is it the creator of the technology, the user, or the AI itself? The answer isn't straightforward, and that's where the ethical quagmire lies. The potential misuse of AI and ChatGPT isn't just hypothetical. We've seen instances where deepfake technology, a byproduct of AI, has been used to create fake videos, causing harm and spreading deceit. This highlights the urgent need for regulations to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly, ethically, and for the greater good. But regulating AI isn't as simple as it sounds. It requires a deep understanding of the technology, its potential uses, and its implications. It also requires a global consensus, as AI isn't bound by geographic boundaries. It's a complex, multifaceted issue that requires the collective effort of governments, tech companies, and society at large. OpenAI, the organization behind ChatGPT, is well aware of these concerns. It's committed to ensuring that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. OpenAI has vowed to use any influence it obtains over AGI's deployment to avoid enabling uses of AI or AGI that harm humanity or unduly concentrate power. It's also committed to cooperating with other research and policy institutions, aiming to create a global community to address AGI's global challenges. AI and ChatGPT are transforming the world as we know it. It's time for us to be part of this change. It's time for us to engage in the dialogue, understand the implications, and work towards a future where AI and ChatGPT are used ethically and responsibly for the benefit of all. AI and ChatGPT are not just buzzwords, they are reshaping our future. How will you be part of this revolution? The globe is spinning on its axis, and at its core, an AI revolution is underway. It's a stirring shift, an intelligent evolution that's poised to redefine the way we live, work, and interact. But how can you, yes, you, become a part of this seismic change? Firstly, education is key. There's an ocean of resources out there waiting for you to dip your toes in. Websites like Coursera and EDX offer a plethora of courses on AI and machine learning. Books like Life 3.0 Inches by Max Tegmark and Superintelligence by Nick Bostrom are brilliant resources to delve into the philosophical and technical aspects of AI. ChatGPT, a marvel of OpenAI, is a wonder to explore. Its documentation is a trove of knowledge, and the OpenAI community is a vibrant space filled with curious minds like yours. You can learn, collaborate, and contribute to the ongoing conversation about AI. Moreover, AI and ChatGPT are not just for the tech-savvy. They're tools, waiting to be wielded by anyone with a bit of curiosity and a dash of creativity. Whether you're an artist, an entrepreneur, a teacher or a student, there's a place for you in this revolution. Imagine using ChatGPT to create thought-provoking art, or employing AI to optimize your business operations. Envision using these technologies to enhance education, making learning more interactive and engaging. The possibilities are as boundless as your imagination. But remember, this revolution is not just about using AI. It's about understanding it, shaping it, ensuring it's used for the betterment of humanity. It's about fostering a dialogue that includes voices from all walks of life. So brace yourself, dive into the world of AI and ChatGPT. Share this video, subscribe to our channel, and join the conversation in the comments section. Together, we can shape the future of AI.